UV Sanitizer Travel Wand UV Light without chemicals for hotel, household, wardrobe, toilet, car, pet area germ-killing function. GERMZAPPER all-round protection. According to the approved laboratory research, the ultraviolet disinfection stick can kill 99.99% of germ.It. Can be used in mobile phones, iPads, keyboards, laptops, toys, toothbrushes, remote controls, door handles, toilet covers, mugs, steering wheels, hotel and family closets, toilets and pet areas to achieve all-round anti-germ. Proven to work. There are a lot of invisible dirty things in life. They exist on mobile phones, remote controls, towels, children's toys, elevator buttons, doorknobs, toilets. People can't see them with the naked eye, but we can use our ultraviolet light to eliminate them. Don't let dirty things live with you. Please read it carefully. The product is equipped with a gravity sensing device, which automatically cuts off the power supply when the light is shining upward, so as to prevent slight damage to the eyes.So. Please do not assume that the product is faulty. Easy to use. Our UV sanitizer could be powered on by battery or USB-C charger GIV 4 AAA batteries. When the battery is dead, it can be connected to USB for power supply. USB can't charge the battery. Press the on-off button for 3 seconds. When the indicator turns blue, you can use it to scan any place you want to disinfect. Easy to carry. Compact size 4.9 1.3 0.9 in. Weight 0.14 pounds. Battery power and USB power. It's easy to carry and put in your handbag. It's easy to put in a handbag, whether at home or on a trip. No matter where you go, you can make sure that you live in a clean environment. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.